In this video, I'm going to show you how I find influencers to help sell my Shopify products, especially during this festive period and where we have these special events like the Halloween, which is coming up in a few days. So the first thing I go is I have an Instagram app on my desktop, so that's what I use rather than using the phone. So the next thing is I just search for Halloween costume. So the October 30th, I believe that's when we have Halloween, and I believe that's the best time to sell some products from Shopify via AliExpress using Obalo. So I'm just going to take a look at Instagram using the hashtag Halloween costume so that I can see if I can get some influencers who are going to promote my product. Then I'll be reaching out to them and asking their promo rates and what terms they use to advertise their product. Then we're going to agree on a price. Then I can maybe later on have them run the ad on their page on their stories. So I prefer running the page on stories because it's a little bit cheaper compared to the feed post. So once I search for Halloween costume, I'm just going to come below and search for a post that has high conversion or a high engagement. So that's what I'm going to look at. So the good thing about using the desktop app for Instagram, it allows you to just see the engagement, and you are able now to text that person using the engagement you see here. So rather than using the phone or the Instagram app on your phone, which you have to click into each individual influencer to see the engagement he or she is getting on their pictures. So that's what I'm going to just do. It should be easy for you. So you just check on the page that has the highest engagement, or the picture with the highest engagement, then click on that picture. Then you're going to head on into the page by that influencer. Also, you can just check the like ratio to the comment ratio. So you do not want a situation whereby you having likes but no comments. So like this one here has 200 has 2332 likes. So I can just head on to that page by this person here, and you see, yeah, so it really reflects the followers that this person has. And the good thing about this is, if you're just starting out on Shopify dropshipping, you want to check for an influencer who has the range from around 25,000 to 100,000. So I find those a little bit cheap, and they are able to accept your offer without a lot of back and forth. So the next thing you just follow, so you just follow that person and you're able to send the message to that influencer. Then have your own pre-made text. So mine, I'm using promo rate. So for them to open your message, because these are influencers that they are popular, you find that they have a lot of people who are following them. So you just need to have something that stands out in their message, say with this fire emoji, then promo rates fire emoji to open and close, so that they are able to be attracted to your message and just open your message. So the next one is a hello, how much do you charge for stories post and feed post? So you want to know all prices. So sometimes you'll find influencers that are combining the two. Say, let's say for stories post and feed post, you'll get it at $25. Then you have others who say stories post at around $10 to $15 and feed post around $25. So you just want to know both prices so that you're able to pick out what you'll actually go with. So I'll just click on send. So and after that I just go back. So this one has no feature like the one we have on Instagram, whereby I've not been able to find that, whereby you just click on that and you see other users like this. So that's the a little bit the issue there, but no worries, since you're just using the hashtag Halloween costume, you want to just go on this page, just look for another influencer and try to see the one that has the good engagement. Then you're going to reach out to that influencer with your with the custom made message you have, and from the custom made image you saw there, it really converts because the person is able to get really attracted to what you've input in the message there. So just continue checking. So sometimes you're going to really have to spend a lot of time in doing this for you to find an influencer you are looking for. So I'm trying to sell a Halloween product, so that's why you're seeing I'm using the hashtag Halloween, so that I can get an influencer whose content is on the Halloween niche. Yeah, so that's what you want to take a look at. So like this one, we have it's a video views. So for video views at 1,000, not really ideal. So for likes, let's check this one here. So 8,000. You can also reach out to this as well, so you can just see, okay, the engagement, it's really good for a page with this number of followers. Yeah, and actually you see now, once you click this, this is the feature I was looking for. We just click on this and you're able to see other like-minded pages. Yeah, so just message this person here with your custom made message there, then just go further and continue looking for others. So that's how I do around here. So this one is around 900. The engagement here is terrific. So 991 likes, 114 comments. So this somebody maybe you'd want to reach out to. Yeah, 31.4k followers. And now I'll want to just check other people from this page. So let me just click on message, then I'm just going to just copy paste the message I have and continue with the same process. Yeah, so here you go. So you can just check that. So the following there is not really ideal, so just go back to Halloween costume and just proceed with the check-in. So I wish Instagram had a feature that allows you to just highlight or filter or sort in accordance to the engagement or the number of likes or followers, so it would be easier, because for this one we have to go through each individual picture, but no worries, it's a little bit easier. So for that one you just message just like that, message. So while finding influencers, you want to go with an influencer who is going to give you a price that is a little bit fair compared to the product you're selling. So if you're selling a product that is around $60, then you can go as high as $30 in terms of a promo rate, because you just need just a single sale to make back your money, considering the price that you're going to use to import the product or to buy the product on AliExpress. So you just want to check for an influencer who is going to give you rates that are really favorable to you. So this hashtag seems not a lot of engagement per se, but you just keep on looking, you'll find a hidden gem somewhere around here. And now just know these are targeted. Once you use a hashtag like this, these are targeted audiences, because these are people who are interested in Halloween costumes, the costumes that I want to sell, because as you know, Halloween is coming uh, very fast in a few days. So you want to make sure that by the time Halloween is coming, a number of people have placed orders on your website, and by the time your product is shipped out, they have received the product and are ready to rock the product by the time Halloween is coming around. So that one doesn't seem to have. Okay, you see we've started getting some responses, so I'll just check on the responses later on. So this person has a lot of engagement. Let me see if we can get other people that are in the same niche or in the same category. Yeah, as you can see, so we have these people here. So just click on message them. So just click on that, paste the message there, then go back. You want to continue checking on these people, so avoid the people with the blue check mark, because these are people with 1.6 million followers and above, and you don't need, but you can try and just get an understanding of the rates that they are giving, so you can just maybe message one just to have a feel of the rates that they are going to charge you. But ideally you want to stay away from people with the blue check mark, because these are people with a lot of engagement, and their prices will sometimes be a little bit higher compared to the rest. So the next thing, I'll just go to theme pages. I'll want to go to theme pages and just check out for theme pages. So for theme pages, they happen to, you see, we've started getting some responses. Yeah, so that's what you normally do. Just, you're going to message, let's say message 100 people, and by the end of the day you'll just get around 10 responses. So the 10 responses, you'll be able to work around those. So just continue. So we're just going to message some extra here just to have a good conversion. So if we have 10 responses, then we are sure if we can negotiate with 2 of them to have the post running. Yeah, so that's basically how you search for influencers. So just come, use the hashtag that you want, use the hashtag. So if it's Halloween, just use the hashtag that you want to use, and make sure you just go and inbox that person and ask for their rates. So they're just going to respond back, because the reason for them creating these pages, which are not personal pages, is for them to be able to sell ads on those pages. So you just inbox them, and they'll be sure to respond to you. So actually for this one, let's take a look, because normally Instagram would go ahead and highlight similar people, or similar people with similar interests. So you just go ahead and message them. Then the next thing you want to do, once you get a response from that specific influencer, you want to ask that influencer, what is your stories stats? That is the statistics for their stories. So you want to ask them, for your stories, what are the statistics, what are the demographics, because you don't want to go and sell to a group a page that does not target maybe the big 5 countries. Yeah, so you want to ask for the statistics. That is, by statistics you want to know, because the engagement we are looking at right now is engagement for feed posts. Yeah, so you want to get engagement for stories if you intend to run the promo on stories. So you just want to get the feed post, the stories statistics. So as you can see, this one here has a high number of engagement. So you just follow and message them. So you see we're getting responses already. So it proves that it works. So you just have now to go and negotiate as much as you can. So by negotiating is saying the number or the amount you are willing to pay, then that person is going to provide you with the number that they want to sell ads for. Then you're just going to negotiate, go back and forth. Maybe you say a lower price, they say a higher price, and at the end of the day you're just going to come up with a price that is favorable for everyone, so that you do not lose money, and so that as well their page looks productive for them, because they are putting in a lot of work in sharing these pictures and building these communities. So you just want to go there with an open mind and be sure that you do not really oppress the other person, and they do not oppress you in terms of pricing. So that's generally how you go around finding influencers. So I hope this tutorial helps. So but if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section, and also subscribe for more tips like this.